Oh, hi everybody! I think I might be getting a makeover from this girl right here. No, I'm getting a makeover from her. It's a new back. Well, that's kind of sad to say that you said it's a new back, but I know it is. But I really don't care. You got nothing on your wish list. I'm gonna buy you something. I really was gonna buy you something. She's a really good person. This is her YouTube. Can't really see it, but Vivid MSP has, for some reason, it has this picture. It's really nice. No, hey. But this is her YouTube channel. She's going to be giving me a makeover. And she's going to be recording it. Hopefully I do not get hacked. But if I do, then it's sad. I trusted her. I'm just say scam free. You know what? No. I'm gonna do it after. But I'm totally gonna say scam free. Let her give you a makeover because check out her YouTube. She gave me a makeover. It's only if she does. But if it turns out she what? Good afternoon. What? Okay, my phone is just acting crazy. Oh no, it's glitching. It is glitching. Let me pause this to try not to glitch. Okay, now that it stopped glitching, I was gonna say that I'm putting scam free, but if she doesn't, then I'm sorry, trust her. Well, all these people you see here, auto them. If you don't know what auto means, it means auto. I just like saying auto. Oh, I know what the next topic's gonna be. It's about colors. And if it's not, then the person who told me is wrong. But if it is, I'm a psychic! Even though I just said the person that told me is wrong. It's because on Instagram, there's this, oh! Look at what might be the next VIP thing. See? MSP Turkey knows all the topics. See? All the colors. If this is not the topic, then I don't know. But last week, before this topic came, I saw this. And I knew it was going to be this. And guess what? It was. So obviously it has to be this. All the colors. Which I kind of like that here. I'm not sure. And then this might be the next VIP thing. Then I'm definitely going to buy VIP. And right here, it says something about September rares. I don't know if anyone can read Turkey, but I cannot, so I have no idea what that means. Or if I'm saying it right. If it's not Turkey, my friend said it is Turkey. And this thing isn't letting me translate it. is really annoying me. Because I'd really like to translate it and find out what they're talking about. Oh man, look at that. This is kind of tickled. I want this and I want this. I'm sorry. I'm not the Why am I singing? Let's go. Flipping the coin. Flip, 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 flip. I was just kind of. No. Cool. This person is the absolute best. Oh, I'm sorry I'm blocking this girl. She just went up to me. Okay, you go up to me. What for? We're all VIP. For some reason, this girl did not look like one VIP. Hello, Shion. Higher than me and looks like that. Must be saying, oh yeah, I got hacked. Oh, that's offensive. Sorry to the people that actually did get hacked. But all those people who's like, oh yeah, I got hacked. Please. Send me gifts. No, don't send them gifts. They're lying. How did you read that stuff? I don't. For sure. So let me pause this and wait for that girl to finish my makeover. Then I'll show you guys. Bruh, look at this. Oh my god. No, why is it glitching now? I feel bad for all of the non-viewers. I mean, blah. I feel bad for all the people who are on mobile, because they get nothing. Why is it glitching now? Seriously, why is it? Okay, well, she ended up not doing the makeover, so it says this, but she only added 1, 2. Wow. I'm like so in love with this one now. Let me listen. What is my background at? See? I should change it, see? Gotta go. Okay, so I think it's acting up. Let's see it's acting up. Come here. So I already found this hair. What is she? I told her 4 looks per room gift. Okay. Room looks gift. Pretty easy. Love. 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 You know what? Let me just get some extra credit. And then all these. See? So now they all have one look. Because of you. Because of me. The gift one said anything. What is their gift one? So why is this after that? Something I really don't care about. I mean, that sounds weird. Something that. What do you mean if you're doing anything? Yes. And her done. Done. Wait, from here is VIP. I have 2 from here. That is VIP. Oh,